I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. I didn't spot this before. Walked right past it. Coconut tree, mango tree, and a banana tree in your garden. Right guys, we got another off the cuff vlog again today. We're out looking at property again, and I've come across a right little gold mine. Well, 5 little gold mines actually. I've had the chance to look at these properties and yeah, gonna show you guys around with me. I like to put in a property every now and then, mix up the vlogs. I want to keep going around looking at places for myself as well. So yeah, this is another one. I've not looked yet. We're gonna all look together. I've just rode up on Lucille. We are in Saraphi Centre, near the Saraphi market, not far from Nong Hoi. Yeah, we're nearer to the city than when I was last time in Saraphi. And these are the small houses that are available for rent. There's 5 of them. They're all Thai style. And my friend has let me come and have a look. They are all for rent, so they're all available. And look at the downstairs space. So we're gonna have a look at this one over here in a minute. I just wanted to show you they're all the same. I mean, you could probably pick one that's a bit further away from the road. There is a road there, but you can't hear it, and they're building right here as well, which could be a bit of a bummer, but yeah, they're not going to be building there forever, are they? And listen, you can't really hear the road. You got parking here as well, and the more you go out the back, I would have one of the back ones here, I would. And yeah, we're gonna have a look at this one. This could be your own pad, your own garden. You got your under the house living, traditional Thai style. Nice big table. Look, you could come down here. Yeah, we can't get in there. It's padlocked. Not sure if that one's open. Oh, that's a downstairs kitchen as well. So that would come in really handy, eh? Got your kitchen downstairs. I suppose this is where the kitchen is. I doubt if there's one upstairs. You got your electric meter and a small place to, I don't know, prepare your dinner, prepare your lunch. Hey, that's cool, isn't it? I mean, it's only a small space, but it's all you need, right? And then you got your balcony here. You can come just chill here, look, sit down. Sit down here. Oh, this is a bit of me. Right then, welcome to the new place. Oh, better take me sandals off. See, it's just like a condo room, but in a Thai style house. I really like it. Nice bed there. You got your mosquito shields. You got a aircon. So you just got one big bedroom, and it looks like they've put this furniture in. This looks pretty new. Another nice table here. I could see myself here on the laptop editing my videos. So you're looking out over the car park, so that's not too bad. The view's not great, but it's not like you got another house staring at you from there. And in here, got your bathroom. Really nice again. Liking it, man. Really liking it. Separate shower divider. We all know how much I like that. It's cool, isn't it? It's just like a condo room. Just like a small room. It would do a couple or a single person. So we got to do the bed test. Oh, that is like a Western mattress. That is the first really bouncy mattress I've tried in Thailand. Oh yeah, I could do with sleeping on that one myself. What do you think then, guys? It's not ideal for a family, of course. I didn't know what I was expecting when I came down. I just got sent some pictures and it looked really nice, and it is this is perfect for single or even a couple, because look at the outdoor space you got. It's not just about this room, is it? It's about under the house, man. That's where all the living quarters is. So yeah, you're pretty close to next door that way. Right, so this place is 8,000 baht a month. So we're talking $215 per month, 190 English pounds for this whole property. It's a bargain, man. I think bargain, absolute Bobby Dazzler of a bargain. Yeah, I don't know if I could sit outside all the time now. I'm so used to being in my room or living in England. I'd probably be up in the room with the aircon on or the fan. But it's nice to know you got your kitchen down here. This is where you would have your meals, right? Oh, so somebody's in that one. So that's one that is taken actually. Looks like only one out of them all has been taken. So it's pretty close to your neighbours. If you was living here, you would probably all be out here at dinner time saying "Swaddy Cap" over the fence, or maybe you could put something up here more, really, I don't know. So this room has been opened for me now, and it's a toilet. So you got another toilet downstairs as well with a shower. So you've got 2 showers, 2 toilets, and it's really clean, guys. New sort of style tap. Yeah, really nice. Wowzers, what you can get, for 8,000. I know a lot of you was moaning on the last Saraphi one because it was a purchase, and I know it's difficult to purchase in Thailand, so it's quite pointless showing houses for sale. So I'm trying to find ones for rent to show you now. Of course, you can still buy here. Maybe you've got a partner, maybe you're married, you trust someone. If I do see a good place for purchase, I still will show it. Got 5-6 neighbours. So this guy's come out. I've been making a bit of noise, that's why. That's a bigger place there. I thought somebody was in it, but they're not, so we can have a look. So I'm going to show you the bigger one. So down here you got probably a little bit bigger outdoor space. In there obviously you got your kitchen and your bathroom again. I'd say you got a bigger space here. You got this extra bit down here where you could, I don't know, it's shaded in it, you could have something down there. Bit of a steep climb, this one, not for the faint hearted. Ah, nice, man, I like it already. So you got your outside porch again. This time it's looking in, so this is nice, isn't it? Looking in your place. Ah, cool. You get your desk again. Looking out over a few older Thai houses. Probably not ideal, but I'm not sure how noisy that would get. One small bedroom. Ah, you can get through. Oh, I see, you can get through to the big bedroom like that. If you got a child or something, you can walk through 2 different ways. Yeah, so this is the master bedroom. I love that, don't you? With all the green outside your window. And you get a dressing table, wardrobe. What's out here then? Balcony? Yeah, I'm not going to go out there. I think it's a place balcony. Ah, so simple again. 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms. And this place here, guys, is 12,000. So extra 4,000 for the extra room. So I would say this one, not such a great deal. It's still a home, still a proper home for 12,000. But you know, it's the single one that's a great deal, I think. Yeah. So that locked door, you come out on a small balcony there. Could be chilling there in the evening. Look, got your Leo in your hand. Got the missus sitting on your lap, chilling out. Playing a guitar or okay, Wayne, let's not get carried away. So it was well worth coming to look at it. It was only 20 minutes down south. Yeah, it's somewhere I could live. I could, man. I could live in one of them single ones, no problem. So just show you the other one. So that's not the only one that's available. They all are. I mean, maybe you'd like one. Maybe one of the windows would be better looking out. This one would be cool. It looks like you're not looking out over on anybody's house. I could see myself here, but you'd have to imagine it when everybody lived here. Now there's only one guy lives here, so it's really quiet. Here's your parking. It looks like, yeah, you get your number on your parking space, so nobody's gonna nab it. Right, so this place is brand new. It's hard to believe, but yeah, my friend swears to me this has just been finished. And when you look at the plants outside and the fencing, it's brand new. It just looks a bit rustic and it's made of wood, so yeah, brand new. It's got that old style Thai look to it. And look at this, you've even got your own banana tree with 3 bunches on there, nearly ripened already, so you'd be alright for bananas. And these here are mango trees, so you're gonna be alright for fruit here. And down here, look, you got a coconut tree. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. I didn't spot this before, walked right past it. Coconut tree, mango tree, and a banana tree in your garden. So this is the small office out the front. Don't know what they're going to use this for. Well, it's going to be an office, obviously. Yeah, got a small toilet. So I guess this is where someone will sit, do some business every now and then. So you got a small road coming in. I went past this place 2 times. It took me ages to find the turning. It's just a small turning. And out on the road, look, you got everything. There's the market over there. And you got Bangkok Bank right here. And look, you got a second-hand shop right on the corner. You got another ambulance on the go. It's never a good sign, is it? Ah, look at that, right outside your door, man. You got a Tesco. See, I need that. You need a 7-Eleven or Tesco, and I can see a 7 right down there. So you got it all here. Got it all. Got a place to eat over there. So this is the road going back up to Nong Hoi, then into the city. So it's not a massive road. It's just a small road. You can get your money out over there. Let's just see what shops there is out the front here. So you got your, you can get an old fridge there or something. Glasses. Yeah, printing, or I don't know, picture frames. And a bank, man. It's nice to have the bank nice and close. You got a phone shop in there. Happy days, man. Right, so I'm just gonna have a walk up a bit further just to show you what's around outside. You got the 7-Eleven over there, and you got your Tesco just back there. Got your gold shop here. Sweaty cab. Where you can deal all your gold, all you rich people. And down here is the market. Just a 30-second walk. So now we're here, so we're gonna have a look. I haven't got my mask either. Forgot my mask, but oh well. I would say not a lot of people speak English down this way. You can get all your fruit, all your apples. What's the prices down this way? Same price, 20 baht. Look at them grapes. Handsome. That's a cool market, isn't it? This is all you need for living down this way. In fact, it's quite big. It's bigger than my market. all your lovely food here. Swaddy Cap. So you could become local here if you live down this way. In fact, you've got everything you would ever need on your doorstep. So that's a major plus. Hello.
มีใบตองหอยสวยใบตองด่าง
เอามันม่วงค่ะ
จ้ะกล้วยหนึ่งมันม่วงหนึ่งเนาะ
banana one or two banana
One for me, you want?
กับมันม่วงอันนึงเป็น2 อันนะคะ20 บาท ขอบ
Cup
คุณ
and
ค่ะ
cap. Thank you. Yeah, they're building in there, which is never a good sign. I'll just try and show you what's going on in there. There. I can't see, guys, so I'm lifting it up. Yep, so hope you like it. Let me know if you do. I had the chance to come and look at it and I grabbed it at both hands. It's a really nice place. This is one of the best places I've seen that I'm interested in. I'm gonna stop waffling, guys. I'm gonna have another little look round, probably do some B-roll, and yeah, I'll put this vlog together and see what you all think. I'm gonna head on back to the city after, get me a cup of tea. No more coffee for me. I'm on the tea now, and I will see you again in another vlog somewhere else doing something, up to something. So hope you're all safe and well, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.